Okay guys, we're back online. Kinuha mo natin yung SD ni Insta360 at nilipat na dito kay GoPro Hero and Black. At syempre finally we're live now. We're back online. Okay, so we're here at the Mount Brigino. Yeah, they call it Brigino, no? So I don't know why they call it Brigino. Pero ito yung pinaka view niya, and which is 330 steps, no? Ayan, so ito yung pinaka view, grabe. So, yes, meron siyang entrance sa 100 pesos. Ayan naman nakasulat. Ito siya. Nakita naman, nakalagay. Ayan. Oops. Okay. Ayan.